Okay, so this is the grammar, and we need to consider first the first of x, s, x, y, z. So we start from the bottom to up. So of course, we have z. We start with z. We have lambda and f, or we only have lambda. So we have z is lambda. We go to y. Okay, this is y. We have the letter f. So f is the first one, and we have the first, and we have the set of s. We go to s. We get the z. So you understand, we go to S, this is the first letter of the S, then we go to S itself, the first letter is Z, Z is lambda, so we have to skip one, so it's E. So we have F and E. Then we go to the X, okay, the X is only these two, it's G, so we can write G, it's small letter, and we have Y. So we go back to Y, first of Y is F, so we write F again, and then we go to S, again, which we already have. We go to S is Z, we go to Z is lambda, so we have E. So G, F, E is our first of X. Now we have the last one, which is S. The first of S is the letter Z. If you go to Z, we get lambda, and therefore we get the letter E only. So rewriting it down means E, G, F, E, means F, and E means lambda. We just rate it, and it's correct. Okay, so the first one is correct. Now we do the follow. From the follow, we have to go from bottom, from top to bottom. So therefore, we go again. Okay, we look for the follow of S. Which one follows S? The S starts here. We don't have S here. We don't have S here. We don't have S here. Boom, we have S. What is the follow-up? It's A. So we start with an A, because everything, the start always has a dollar signs are automatically. So it's dollar sign A. Boom, we go to the next one. The follow of X. Does this contains an X? Yes, it does contains an X. What does the C contains? The Z contains lambda. So if you skip one and more, if you skip, so we have X, the follow-up is letter Z, we go to Z is lambda, so skip. What is after we skip? We take the follow of the S. So the follow of the S is dollar abda, so we're gonna do it as well. That's our first one. That's our first X. The second X is here, is followed by D, so we write the letter D down. Here, do you see an X? No, I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see X. So this is currently what we have. We go to Y now. So does this contain a Y? No. Does this contain a Y? Yes. This letter X. So we need to get the first of X. The first of X, G, F, E. So we write down G, F, and E. Perfect. Does this contain an X? No. No X, no X, and no X. So this is what we have right now. Now we'll go to the letter Z. Okay, Z, does this contain X? Yes. What is the follow-up of Z? That's the letter E. So we write down E. Okay, does this contain Z? No. Does this contain Z? Yes. It's a follow. What's the first of Y? Because yeah, what's the first of Y is F and E. We already have E, so we add only F. S, A doesn't require, it doesn't have a Z. This also doesn't have a Z. This also does not have a Z. So we can try out what we have. So of course we have dollar sign A, we have dollar sign A and D, we have Y's GFE, GFE, with dollar sign Z is E and F. So we're gonna create solution. Follow Y if I seems wrong. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, the Y we have here in Y, this means that we have the follow of X, G, F, E. Oh, here we have a Y, I didn't see it. What's the follower is the yes, I didn't see it. So the follow of E is nothing. This is the most right hand side, so we take the follow of the whole X. What's the follow of the whole X is A and D. This will take it. Okay, we'll go to Y. Oh no, wait, I read my god, A, D. So it's not here because it's about Y, because we got Y wrong. Y seems wrong. So that's not here. I wrote it down. We just have to write it there. So GFE and AD. So it's GFE and then AD, like this. Okay, now we can grade it. Follow of Z seems wrong. Damn, I made a lot. Okay, follow of Z. So we see what's going on. Okay, this is the first Z. This is second Z. So we have to take the follow of C. So we have, of course, let's start again. And the follow of S. Because we have double Z, I didn't look at it. Then we have the second Z is here, which is the first of Y. What is the first of Y? Is F and E. So it's like this. E dollar sign AF. Okay. Let's E double sign AF. Like this. Okay. Let's grade solution. This should be correct. Yes. Now it's correct. Okay. Now we have to look at the first. Okay. The first of S is at E. So this one. We only have one S, so that means that we have to put in, because this is the first S of E, so we go to the first S, we go to tab E, and then we say, okay, which is the S one? This number one. So we put number one. The X, GFE. So we know that we on this row X, we have to fill in GFE, but we don't know which exact grammar. We have two X's. This is for our G. This is for F and E. This is for G, 3G, 3G, and then F, E, and E. Like this. Then we have 4 and 5Y is F and E. Which one gives us F? Okay, 5 gives us, number 5, it gives us F, for E, 5, wait, 5F, yeah, 5F, 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 and 4E, because S gives us E, you know, S here, and then gives E, 4E, 4E, and now lambda, that means we have to look at this follow-up table, E, F, A, and dollar signs. What is lambda is Z, this only has 1, so 6, 6, 6, 6. So E is 6, F is 6, and A is 6, and dollar sign is 6. We create the solution. We get our full 14 points. So yeah, this is how the parsing works.